Thanks for spending just a minute thinking about God's truth with me today. Today we focus on the truth of Matthew 5:9. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called sons of God. It's time to start the clock and break it down. Our world is at war constantly. Pick up any history book that covers the last few thousand years and you'll see that peace is hard to find. We don't have peace between nations. We don't have peace with each other. We don't have peace in our homes. We don't have peace in our hearts. Jesus knows the reason there is no peace among us. We don't have peace among ourselves because we don't have peace with God. True peace is only possible through relationship with Jesus Christ. Without being in right relationship with God, we don't stand a chance at being in right relationship with each other. To be a peacemaker is not a call to run around asking, why can't we all just get along? We can clearly see how that works out throughout history. No, to be a peacemaker is to be someone who has peace with God, and that is accomplished only through faith in Jesus Christ. Knowing Jesus, obeying his commands, these lead to treating each other as we ourselves want to be treated. Godly love will never flow out of us if God doesn't reside within us. If we want to be peacemakers, our first step is to believe in and follow Jesus. Peace has always and will always be found only when the human heart is truly satisfied through peace with God. This is Pastor Scott saying thanks for watching. If you want to talk to me, it's right here. If you want us to talk to God for you, visit ipray.world. You can also visit the church website, but be sure to like or share or follow or subscribe. Every time you promote these videos, you help somebody else spend just a minute thinking about God's truth. God bless you.